8-watt submersible fish tank heater for aquariums up to 1.5 gallons 5L. Creates ideal conditions for bettas to live in. Made of durable polymer, which is tougher than glass. Easy to install in your betta fish tank. Use the suction cups to place on the side of the betta tank. Automatically reaches set temperature, allowing you to easily maintain your fish aquarium. Use in combination with the Marina Standing Thermometer, sold separately, for accurate temperature readings. Top reviews from the United States. My betta loves it. I bought this for my new betta. He's in a Marina EZ Care tank, and after reading a lot of reviews I was hesitant about it, thinking it would be too powerful for a small tank. I read a reviewer who said they had an outlet timer to regulate the amount of hours the heater was on so it wouldn't fry the fish. With this in mind, I bought an outlet timer to go with this heater just in case. The setup was easy to do, and in no time at all it was up running. I kept it on for 2 hours at first with the intention of turning it off for a couple of hours, and so on with the timer. I ended up not needing it because apparently my betta in particular likes it pretty warm. The temp in the tank is up to 85 and my betta couldn't be happier. I know some fish get agitated if it's too hot, but my lil betta likes it that way. He's more active now and is happily blowing bubbles at the top. He even rests against the heater sometimes, see pics. All in all, I am happy with this little but mighty heater. Just a warning though, no two bettas are alike, so your betta in particular might not like it that warm, so it's never a bad idea to get an outlet timer just in case so it can turn the heater on and off at timed intervals so it won't fry your fish. Lucky for me though that my fishy friend likes it more balmy than most.